Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to nutribullettime. And you probably wondered where I've been. It's funny because, honestly, I haven't made any videos on this channel for a while, you guys. And the reason I haven't been, it's real easy, guys. After I did that 30-day weight loss challenge and I didn't lose any weight, I just got embarrassed, man. I just got embarrassed. I didn't want to make any more videos on this channel. I felt like a total failure. I think we did some good work on this channel with NutriBullet, but man, I just could not lose any weight. So where am I at right now? I want to get this channel moving again. And I also think it's important to not just focus on the NutriBullet. The fact of the matter is, people care about other things besides the NutriBullet, like this dude right here I just picked up. It's a little $40 portable blender. It's called a blendjet. We're going to talk more about this in future videos, but I'm going to beat this thing up in December. We're going to get into this thing. But anyways, I guess basically this is just a quick video to let you guys know I'm back. I'm going to be making more videos on NutriBullettime. And I even thought about changing the name of the channel to like something else to kind of like reflect a broader scope, but I don't know. Anyways, guys, where I'm at right now is, if you can see, I'm 261, so this is the heaviest I've ever been. So something's got to give. I have to change, and it's got to be more than just talk. I actually have to put some work in. But I want to use this channel as a vehicle to facilitate that. And, I'm going to put videos out, man. And hopefully I can help some other people along the way. And we're going to be reviewing things like this blender here, this blendjet. And this is what I'm going to be working on most of December and leading into January, is beating the hell out of this little blendjet and seeing what we can make with this. So you guys can go on that journey with me. We're going to see what this little $40 battery-powered blender can take. I am back. NutriBullettime, back online. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's do this.